I got Travis's kit in the mail, so I gotta get it prepped and ready to go. This came with it. It's trash. Can't use it. First thing I gotta do is I gotta separate this from the housing. Now I got them separated. I gotta get this shaft out, and I'm gonna cut it where the splines are. There's a snap ring in here that you have to undo, and that's how you slide the shaft out. So I got the shaft off. All this is garbage. You can keep it for spare parts if you want. Took the shaft and I laid it out, and there's a spline section in here, and what I did was I cut it off where the spline section stops. And then this is trash. This is all you wanted out of that whole thing. So next we're going to go to the steering box. This is a sleeve. We're going to go ahead and cut that off. So I made a diagonal kind of cut here, and I peeled the steel back so that the got to use 2 hands, slides right off. And you can set this off to the side and keep it. You might be able to use it a little bit later for some other things, but that's what the shaft looks like. So this is the steering wheel side. That's the side that's going to go to the floor, and this is that threaded shaft I was telling you about. So that just slides right over. It goes in and slides up. So what we're going to do is we're going to graft our steering wheel and our thread onto that side right here. Now, the next thing we're going to do, because this is obviously really long, right, is I'm going to cut this back. So I'll probably cut it off right here, and then I'll come back here, I'll cut it off right here, and then I'll take this section and I'll move it down and I'll weld it right here. I'll undo these bolts, pull that shaft out, and that's how I'll do the welding. I won't do the welding while it's inside the housing. And then smooth it all out, and then this will be sitting here on top with the steering wheel side from the bus, which I don't have.